Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello viewers, today on Sharing the Scoop, we are going to welcome Mandeep Sharma, who is doing his MBA from Thakur Global Business School. Let's hear from him. Hi Mandeep, how are you doing?
Hi Trishna, I'm doing fine. Good evening, everybody.
It's really nice to have you here. So can you just tell the viewers about your educational profile and your achievements?
Yeah, so my educational profile right now, I'm in my Sim 4 of MBA in PGDM. Specialization is marketing. And previously, I graduated from Jain College in 2019. I graduated in banking and insurance. And for 5 years, I was in JHC only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how has your journey been from finance to, you're doing marketing, right, currently?
Yeah.
So how has your journey been from finance to marketing? Do you think you faced any challenges?
From my end, I have not faced many challenges because I have always wanted to, learn about, business ethics, sales, marketing, everything. And I was more interested in the, the back end proper marketing and sales process of how a business runs, what are the core functions, features, and everything. So for me, these 2 years were very interesting, learning it in a, in a very detailed manner, experiencing it firsthand by doing live projects and internships. So it was fun for me.
Really nice. So can you tell us a little bit more about Thakur Business School, Global Business School?
Yeah, sure. So Thakur Global Business School is something that began in 2020 itself. So they divided it in two parts. There's Thakur Global Business School is for PG, and Thakur Institute of Management and Research is for MMS. TGBS has helped me a lot building my communication skills. Calming down my nervousness and facing a GDPI because I was not that great in GDPI. I have presented a lot in GHC, but the peer pressure that you have when you're sitting with everybody and you have to speak and you have to be conscious while you're speaking what you're talking about, your speech and everything. Thakur has helped me a lot, and learning digital marketing, I was very interested in digital marketing. So in learning digital marketing, Thakur has helped me. And we will be having sales training this weekend, so I'm even looking forward for that. And TGBS has helped me a lot, forming my personality as a marketing student.
Wow, okay. So what all entrance exams did you give for this?
So I appeared for CAT and CET, only two.
Okay,
I got admission through CET. I scored 87 percentile in CET, and then during the pandemic process, I started applying everywhere. And
okay.
Thakur reverted positively. I gave my GDPI, which went perfectly, and here I am.
So can you tell us a little bit more about how your entrance exams were? Any subject which was difficult, which was easy, which you thought you could manage, and your entire phase during your entrance exams?
So yeah, there was a slight problem during CAT is that my grandmother had expired during that time. So I applied so late that my center was in Pune. So I had to go to Pune to appear for CAT, and I was not able to prepare for CAT properly. So I did not score good percentile, but I gave my best for CET. The one subject I faced problem is quant that I guess most of the people will be facing. But I guess for
Quants.
engineers it will be, yeah,
Yeah.
everybody. For engineers, quants would be very easy because for them it's very basic. Even for us, but I was never so good with maths and quants and everything. But for me, LR and verbal was manageable. I was very good with verbal. And what I think people should try to concentrate on time management for verbal more. Because verbal, when you are answering, every answer looks right only in verbal. So in quant LR, you can tell the difference. Like you can solve and everything, but in verbal, you have to be really sharp with your grammar and everything.
Okay, so what was your approach like since maths, quants was your weaker subject? How do you approach it?
Me and my friends used to sit together and we had a few books, a few question papers from sources, and we used to solve them. We used to keep a time check on the side that at least 60 seconds per question. So that's how we, built our time and speed like that. So quant was this one difficulty I faced because I had to be very quick and it was very difficult for me to catch up that fast. But for every other subject like LR and verbal, it was a bit easier for me to manage my time and, answer correctly.
Okay, and how was CET different for you? Like after giving CAT, you must have found CET easier, or even that was a little challenging in its own way.
No, I found CET a little easier because I was able to score like good marks. And so for CAT, I was still under pressure, right? Like it's my first competitive exam I'm going to appear. But after my experience with CAT, I like abhi mujhe pata hai kya karna hai jaake. So that because of that first exam experience, CET became a little easier for me, and I know what I had to study.
Okay, that's really nice. So, do you want to talk about Thakur's entire process after you got a call from them? How many
Yeah.
rounds were there, and how was your interview? And did they like? Do you remember any questions?
Since my interview happened online on Zoom and during the pandemic, they, the PI, so there was no GD, okay? There was only PI. And it was not that challenging at that moment. They asked me basic questions that like, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Why marketing? Tell me more about marketing. Why you want to specialize in it? Tell me about your family. The basic questions, like they don't go that technical, but you drive your own PI. Okay, if when they say tell me about yourself, if you talk about your hobbies, they'll start talking about your hobbies, but you have to connect your hobbies somewhere to a business mindset, to a marketing mindset, something like that.
Okay, and how many rounds were there?
Only one. It was just PI at that time.
Only PI.
There were
Okay,
no
so,
multiple
so
rounds.
no
Yeah.
technical questions were asked.
No technical. Yeah, so they kind of simplified it because it was online and like people are at home. So I think that's why.
Nice. So, do you have any work experience?
So I did a small internship in 2019 before at Westfund Corporation, like Westfund Global. It's in bed sheets and all. So for 1 month, I was there as e-commerce, like back-end order processing and customer query. After coming to Thakur, I got an opportunity to do an internship with Amul for a month, then Outlook magazine for a month. So for both of my internships, I did sales, like hardcore sales. For Amul, I had to cover a whole region of Borivali East to Daisar East, and I had to go from shops to shops pitching a product. Amul, they were coming in with Amul Fruity Dahi. So from there, I was able to build up my pitch, my sales pitch, the elevator. I forgot the name. So I built up my sales pitch from there, which helped me in Outlook sales. I had to sell magazine and also I had to run this small, product and brand management strategies that print media is, applying right now because it is very competitive now in the market and nobody reads newspaper that much now. So they have to come up with something new for magazines, for newspapers and something like that.
Okay, it's really good to hear all the experiences you got during your MBA
Yeah.
before and how you approached your entire entrance exams. It's really very interesting. So, just to quickly wrap it up, do you have any tips for MBA aspirants this year?
This year देखो लॉकडाउन वापस लग रहा है तो ऐसा आई थिंक कि लॉकडाउन वापस लग रहा है आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट बट आई थिंक यस इफ यू आर गोइंग टू परस्यू एमबीए गो विद अ माइंडसेट दैट आई हैव टू स्कोर अ गुड परसेंटाइल आई हैव टू गेट इनटू अ गुड कॉलेज because that is one thing that like appear for all the exams don't take that small mistake that I did that by appearing only for 2 exams appear for all the exams. I wish I would have been able to and go with an open mindset that I have to learn something new. And जब भी sales सुनोगे तब डर मत जाना sales से because even if
Yeah,
you are in finance, operations or marketing, sales is the first step to your career through MBA. And the
true.
second is market. Yeah,
You
so
need to sell
sales is
yourself really well to get into any college.
Any college, yes. And after, like, you will be able to experience, like proper marketing, sales, uh, everything. So go with an open mindset. Don't think कि मैं इसमें जाऊंगा तो यही मिलेगा. नहीं, सब कुछ try करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, wow, thank you so much for that. It was
Welcome.
really nice to have you here, Mandeep. Thank you for all the tips that you've shared, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Krishna. And I hope my tips are even 20% useful to the community.
Oh, it really did. I'm sure it really did.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.